Hey, what's up? It's Jeff. This afternoon, we saw a drama that was very, very, very depressing. So this evening, we're seeing a comedy. In fact, boom, we're seeing Spamalot. Now, this cast is completely stacked on this one. It is an amazing cast. And I am so happy I got a ticket to this one. So we're going into the St. James Theater. We're gonna go check out Spamalot, a great Monty Python story come to the stage. Great music. I mean, I know this show way too well, but I've never seen it on stage. So here we go, Spamalot.
This revival of Spamalot is about King Arthur's quest to find the Holy Grail, inspired by the classic film Monty Python and the Holy Grail. The original production opened in 2005 and closed January 11th of 2009, playing 1,575 performances. This current revival has completed its 24-week run at the St. James Theater, closing April 7th, 2024. So now let's get off the cold streets of New York City, enter the St. James Theater, get our ticket scanned, and see what this stage looks like.
We are in. Here is the stage. Let's do a quick look at the theater while we have time. Holy cow. There's the orchestra pit. And everyone, wide angle, welcome to the St. James Theater. Orchestra, mezzanine, balcony, chandelier. Look at that.
The show will be starting soon, but we have just enough time to go shopping. Let's go look at the merch. Yeah, I spent a lot of money at this store. I have a lot of friends who are huge Monty Python fans. But for me personally, I did get the magnet, I got that coffee mug, and that tote. And gang, here are the prices. After shopping, I found my seat, and here's my incredible view of this show. But I did have to take that photo we all have to take for social media, and now let's move on to intermission.
All right, we have hit intermission, and let's see what the balcony looks like. Holy cow. Okay, balcony seats are phenomenal. And what is this? Holy cow. And just look at the architecture. And the grand chandelier. Oh my god, that's just gorgeous. So the cast is absolutely phenomenal, but it's about to start the second act, so I'm going back to my seat. See you after the show. Alright, and the craziness is in full swing right now. Gang, the show just ended. And once again, I went shopping. There we go, we're crossing. People started moving, so every show's letting out right now, so this whole area is crazy right now. I'm gonna get to a spot. Alright, here we go. Spamalot. If you saw the original Broadway production, it was very similar. The entire set was very stripped down, but I really enjoyed it because it brought everything so close to the front of the stage. They probably only used the first fourth of the stage. The cast was insane. Jonathan Bennett just joined the cast. You might know him from Mean Girls. And Alex Brightman was the original Beetlejuice on Broadway. Made a lot of Mean Girl references in there, and it was hysterical. You could tell his goal was just to crack up Jonathan Bennett through this whole entire show, and the audience was eating it up. The cast was extremely talented, and it was just a good, lighthearted, fun time. If you know Monty Python, if you know Monty Python and the Search for the Holy Grail, if you like that humor and Eric Idle and all that, then you're going to love this show. I sat next to a whole group of people who had no clue what any of this was, and they still had a great time. So there we go, Spamalot on Broadway. I hope this thing tours. The set reminded me of a good touring type set, if that makes any sense. Lots of projections were used. I really hope they just get a good cast and put this on a national tour, and I truly hope to see this in Orlando if it ever shows up there. But anyways, all right, I'm going to go walk around the city a little bit and try to get down from the theater I am currently on. And gang, I will see you tomorrow where we have some more shows happening. All right, that was show 6 out of the entire run. We're going to see how many more I can get in. I think a lot of the cast is coming out now. You hear the screams. I can hear the screams, by the way, in my hotel room, and I'm on the 21st floor. Anytime like a celebrity comes out of the theater, like all you hear are screams. But anyways, take care everyone. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.